All right, so today we have us here, Hook and Reel. Hook and Reel
Mukbang.
from New Jersey, wearing the New Jersey.
Yeah.
So we have a Hook and Reel today. We want to do a mukbang, so we're going to do a little mukbang.
Okay. I should have had me a plate.
Show y'all as much as I could try to show y'all. So this is our mukbang. Have some shrimp, some mussels. What is that?
Crab legs,
Crab.
corn,
You know, all that other stuff.
potatoes. We have it all.
First time doing this, so gonna see how this go.
All right.
I'm thirsty already.
Got juice too. All right, y'all.
Man, you done went in. Yeah. I got over there with you.
I only got one.
I know. I don't know why.
I was gonna get another one.
Doing.
Oh, my bad.
The video come on, you gonna get another one. Fold it over like how we did last time. Let's see how this tastes. We just got the Hook and Reel mild sauce
I love my
on
clams. I'm being greedy, y'all. Nice, good shrimp.
Not bad. I really don't do like the seafood boils like that because, you know, you're ordering it from places and I don't really trust it. But this is pretty good.
Tasty.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's potatoes in here too?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Let me dip it all in here. Looks like it.
Cut it.
I should have took it out the bag and poured it in.
Did we have it in here before last time?
Yeah. It tastes better than last time. Last time I was like, oh, it was our first time and we like Hook and Reel, we'll try it out. This time it's hitting.
Mm-hmm.
You got the thing right in front of you.
What? Oh. Wow. Move this.
Trying to fix the camera for y'all.
Nice juicy corn on the cob, y'all. You see. The sauce on and everything.
All right, I'm back. I'm back. You enjoying your mukbang so far?
About to open up us a YouTube channel, y'all. Get ready. We can do it like everybody else can. Man, that we ain't saying so much is because we stuff in our face.
And this sauce is good. I want to try the medium, but he don't like a lot of spice, so I'm a little scared to get the medium and then it be too spicy for him.
I like a little hot, but not hot. Mm. I tell you people,
Let me see if I can show y'all a little bit. Can y'all get a glimpse? Little glimpse. I
a
don't
little
want I
something.
don't want all the juice to spill out because I'm clumsy. Messing around with me, all of that'll be on the floor.
True that. True that. That's right. And this is good too.
We ain't gonna be able to use your camera because you keep pushing the daggone thing in front of your camera.
No, you have it, yeah.
I gotta move it over. I ain't want to edit nothing in this video or nothing because I don't be knowing what I'm doing. But you keep on pushing this over. They ain't gonna be able to see nothing because you keep pushing it in there. That's why I keep pulling it over like now. Alright, hopefully that's a better view for y'all. So he won't be blocking the camera with the daggone thing.
Right.
Because I am doing this on my phone. Phone and tablet, matter of fact. Let me get that right. Because I'm looking at myself on my tablet.
I'm looking at nothing. I'm looking at this mukbang. That's what I'm looking at.
Okay.
Ooh, Joe. We gotta come up with us a YouTube name. I'm over here. What happened? You here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, headphones.
No, my earrings. I was turning my earrings around.
I'm about to get some more crabs on time.
I know. That was only what? A pound of crab? Should have got more. That could be like a thumbnail.
There's a lot of shrimps in there.
They always put a whole bunch of shrimps. It's a pound of shrimps too. We ain't get that much. I ain't know he was want to do a mukbang. I just, just got some food.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Give me a crab leg. Mm. Hey, y'all. Mm-hmm. It's good to sit down and just enjoy yourself when you want to.
Yeah.
without being hassled, not worrying about anything. Because everything gonna be all right.
Hopefully y'all can't hear my TV because yes, I am watching TV. I'm actually watching Tyler Perry's Sisters. Yes, Sisters. Yes, yes, yes.
And now I put these potatoes in there too.
Yep. I could have took it with a little bit of spice. It tastes good though.
Right now,
It has a
tastes
little
good.
spiciness to it though. It does. The little spice thing. If you don't like spice at all, then you don't taste like a little spice. Yeah. So
But
I
it's right
figured
on
you
the
did.
top.
But yeah, to me, I need like a little bit more. A little bit more. And that would have been good. That's why I said I was thinking about medium, but I figured this right here, the mild, been good for you. I don't think Tyler Perry gonna top that episode yet when the white lady shot herself in the salon. Remember the wife,
Yeah.
the pastor's wife, when the pastor's wife. Yeah, instead of me saying the white lady, the pastor's wife.
Blew her brains out. But I still say she finer than all of them. I'm right there getting a haircut. We over here over talking to the people. We watching TV and stuff in our face.
You talk to the people. You want to do a mukbang. Talk to them.
So
What you gonna talk about? Current events? Talk about it all.
we can talk about any and anything. Whatever your heart desires. It can be any topic. I don't care. Love life, bad life, whatever life you're going through.
I don't want to talk about love life.
You don't want to talk about love life.
We ain't gonna talk about that.
Why not?
Nobody wants to talk about that.
Good topic.
Y'all can drop down in the comments if you want. If you see this video and you think it's okay, you might think I could do better or we could do better or whatever.
We will. Take
What we
time.
gonna call our channel name? We don't even know what we gonna do. I don't know. I'll put up something simple when I create the channel's name. I mean, I do have a YouTube under me, Drama, Love, and Hate, but we could put it under, because, yeah, my channel just all over the place, and I don't have no subscribers. But if we want to try to get subscribers and do all of that, then, yeah,
Like,
if you like
comment, and
this
share.
video, yeah, you can do that. Comment, let us know how we did. If you think this mukbang was even a mukbang. Was it a failed mukbang? I think it might have been like a failed one.
It doesn't
I don't know.
matter.
It's a mukbang. I don't know what to call it.
Keep
I
your
mean,
comments clean. We don't want no nonsense. Keep your comments clean.
it don't matter to me.
That's all. Keep your comments clean. We don't want none of that nasty, negativity going on over here.
I mean, everybody has an opinion. Their opinion might be different, whether it's negative or not. You could drop down and leave a negative comment too. I don't care. Just don't leave nothing perverted, nothing nasty. That's the stuff I ain't with. I ain't with all of that.
Be respectful, not disrespectful. You know?
I got this corn all in my teeth.
I got a crab leg in my mouth.
Who's sucking it down? Golly, did y'all hit that?
No, it's good.
I mean, it is kind of juicy. I'm trying not to smack and everything. I know it's juicy, but golly, he about to suck the whole crab up out of it. Let me get that. Let me get that. See, this is why life is good. Everybody need friends, because I'm going to be honest with y'all. I like crab, but I hate to do the work. So I don't really order crab like that. Because I like for it to look like this already. And I can just peel it apart and start eating.
Put me in front of something. I bet you don't have to worry about it. Come to seafood, y'all. I'm the king. Especially when it comes to mukbangs. I will eat 2 of these. Put 2 of these in front of me. Roll out.
Hook and reel. I was asking my sister one day about hook and reel. Well, actually, I was asking her about a place, and she said hook and reel in New Jersey. And I was like, oh, there's a hook and reel out there? So, second time, I keep saying first time, but first time doing this mukbang, but second time us actually trying this, and this time I could say it's right on the money. It is right there. I'm going to still keep saying I would have took this a little bit spicier. But I was saying that last time, too. Like, oh, yeah, it could be a little bit spicier. But like I said, guys, he doesn't like spice. So this would be just the right for him. It looked like they robbed you on the mussels.
I got mussels in there.
Oh, you've been eating them. I'm sorry. Hopefully, y'all was able to see the food that we're eating. And this mukbang ain't a failed mukbang to that extreme. To the extreme. They ain't clean this one up. I have to debate this my damn self before I eat this. This is like About to throw this whole piece down. Let me see something. Oh, okay, now I think that's seasoning, is it? Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, they almost had me. I was about to say hook and reel. Hook and reel. Don't do this to me. Now that must be like a piece of, I don't know, some little pieces of pepper. I thought it was some doodle back here. I just saw something black. Everybody always want to talk about that's a vein. My mama told me it's doodle.
Sauce is good, y'all.
It sure is.
I'm over here taking my little empty shell, my clam.
I got picking this bag up.
I ain't picking it up. I'm trying to put it
Well,
down.
fold it down inside so it won't be in the camera's way.
I got millions of clams in here, y'all. Juice good, too.
Now see this, right? He's gonna elbow me. And gonna knock me out. Trying to suck up a muscle and everything. Knock me out.
She be all right.
Yeah, I'll be alright.
She ain't gonna get
Well, guys, y'all could also drop down in the comment and let me know. You know, I was one of those kids growing up. My mother started perming my hair probably like 11 years old or something like that. I mean, I did want a perm too, so I ain't gonna just put it all on her. I did want a perm too. So I've been getting relaxers since like 13. Since like, I'm lying because I said 13 just now. No, I've been getting them straight on since I was 13, but I started getting my first relaxer probably like 10, 11 or something. Then my hair fell out. It broke off, so that's why I said it was a break. And then about the age of 13, I started getting them continuously, whatever. So anyways, now I'm thinking about basically transitioning over to my natural kinky hair. And I'm trying to figure out, guys, what's the best way to do this? Because I am not doing that big chop stuff. And just in case you know this page that we put this on go viral, go to my drama love and hate page and just look at me with my little hair video. You don't have to watch all of it. I just had put it up just because I like putting up videos on my page. I don't have no subscribers. But I just like to keep memories and moments or whatever. And in case people do see it, I do tell them to subscribe to my channel. But like I said, I only got like, how many subscribers? I got family members. Maybe like 7, 8 of us or whatever. But I want to know what's the best way to transition. So far, hold on. I don't know how people do mukbangs because I really don't like somebody to be looking at my mouth while I'm chewing, and especially trying to talk. That's not cool. Okay, now I can say what I want to say. All right. What I was saying now was, so far already, I've been trying to do the transition, and I've been thinking, should I just stretch my perm? I mean, stretch for a while. So I haven't received a relaxer since December 2019. Yeah, December 2019 was my last relaxer. So I figured the relaxer was already. Usually I would have got another relaxer by like February 2020, and I didn't. So I've been good, and now we're in 2021. 2021. So yes, I'm just trying to figure out now, like, this is what I've been doing, just having it in braids. I just been braiding it up so far. I still see a lot. Like I said, if you go to my drama love and hate page and look at my hair, you'll see it's a lot of still relaxed all at the ends. You can still tell it's so stringy. And I don't want to do the big chop, so I'm really trying to figure out, like, should I just keep it braided up for another year and see how it goes? I don't know. Just drop that in the comments and let me know about that. But that's all I have to say. What you guys talk about? I know I took off talking about here. My bad, guys.
I ain't worrying about. I'm over there eating. She can talk. I'm eat. That's my job. Sad.
So what type of YouTube page you want to do on too? What type of thing you talking about we do at YouTube, but what are you going to be doing?
I'll come up with something.
We just going to be having mukbangs, eating?
Yeah, we can have eating mukbangs.
I don't know. Like I said, drop down and let us know if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you think mukbangs is cool.
Hell yeah, it depends on what you got. So far, I love my seafood mukbang.
But we only going to do mukbangs when we have seafood?
And more to come. No, not just seafood. So, more to come. Stay tuned.
All right, guys, you heard it from him. He says stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Nothing else to do.
And he do have his own YouTube page, so don't you have one? I don't know if he has subscribers, but he have a YouTube page also. You're too much weight. I felt that. The heavy one.
Heavy?
They fold shit went down when you did that. Trying to have the food on the floor and break my table. I said,
Oh
what
my
is
God.
that?
No, I'm not trying to break the table.
Putting your feet up. He done got too comfortable, guys. He like, yeah, we doing a mukbang. I put my feet up on the table. Like, what? What are you doing? Yeah. I'm glad y'all can't see that. The audacity of some people.
It'll be all right.
The nerds of this cow and oh my God.
It'll be okay. It will be okay. Yes, indeed. Hey, out there. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. We will be doing more banks.
More bangs. More mukbang. Mukbang.
Bang, bang, bang.
Mukbang. But again, guys, this is looking real. And this one came from, where this one came from?
Kearny, New Jersey.
There you go. And it's pretty good. It's good. I'm not going to say pretty good. It's good. It's cool. It's bussin'.
So,
It's bussin'. Bussin'.
it's up to y'all. Y'all want to make that travel to Kearny?
They deliver. Uber Eats.
Depends on where they at.
Well, if they somewhere else around the world in another state, they got a seafood thing by them.
Yeah. Cooking real is everywhere.
I don't know if it's everywhere. Because all those crab things that everybody else be going through, we don't have those over here.
This mukbang is about finished, y'all. Chew. I need another one of these.
And people tell me, do we have an accent? Because, I'm originally from New York, but I relocated to Jersey. But a lot of people say, like, yeah, you're starting to pick up a Jersey accent, or you still hear some people say, oh, you still have, like, a New York accent, you could tell. I don't really understand that. What is the New York accent? Maybe my dialect, the way I talk, the words I use, maybe. But like I said, drop down. Let me know. Do I have any type of accent or anything? And if we do another mukbang or whatever, I guess drop down and let me know.
What type of mukbang?
Yeah, what should we talk about? Or what should we eat? I don't know. Because I don't think we're going to be just doing seafood mukbang.
No.
So should we put this up on a channel that we already have created? Like with the little bit subscribers? Like I have like maybe 8. I don't know how many you got. So you put it on there, or should we just go ahead and, like you said, create a whole nother channel?
Create a whole nother channel.
Okay. He wants to create a whole nother channel, so we'll see about that. I don't know what we're going to name it. Now we got to think about a name.
I know. We'll do that.
A and B mukbang?
A and B.
All right. That's it, guys. There you go. We just created a name. Just that quick. It's simple. A and B. A and B mukbang. And all of y'all watching, whoever subscriber, be an A and B crew. Be part of the A and B crew, right?
There you go.
There you go. Ah, I'm nice. My brain working. My brain working.
A and B mukbang crew.
And my sister gave me this right here, and it's like my little slogan now. Always remember you are braver than you think, stronger than you seem, and loved more than you know. She loves me. Alright guys, we're about done with this mukbang. We only got like a few pieces of, I know, I'm not even going to attempt to break that crab. But yeah, we have like,
that's it.
Just some crab and
that one shrimp.
That's it.
Yeah.
We done. We F this up, yo. Screwed it up.
Should have got
this junk was good.
Should have got 2 of them.
I know.
One for her and one for
I mean, if I would have known you wanted to do a mukbang, then I would have said, yeah, get 2.
Yeah. Well, this is part 1, y'all. Part 2 coming soon. We need a slogan to end our videos. Let's say it.
But we got to figure out a slogan. I don't know. But we're about to end it because it already been going like 33 minutes. Guys, do I have to edit all of these videos? Because right now, I'm going to really be honest. I don't feel like editing this video. I just feel like creating a channel and putting this up. So what y'all think? Matter of fact, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create the channel and just put it up. And everyone who subscribe or who like it, y'all drop down and y'all let us know. Should we do like 20 minutes? Should we do shorter? Should I edit some of this out? I don't know. Like I said, drop down and let us know.
Hit the post notification bells and ring-a-ding-ding and all that.
You can tell he be watching Tati and Tajay. Yes, we watched them. Grown-ass people. Yes, we watched them. I like them, though. That's such a nice couple.
Nice young couple.
Uh-huh.
I'm about to have their first child.
But we out of here, guys.
Okay.
Until next time, everybody that subscribed to the A and B crew, we see y'all.
Peace.
Peace.